Hey guys. Hey guys, sorry I just lowered the TV. Today we're gonna go into the residence. I think I showed it to you last video. I really hope you like it. It's really cool. And so walk down here, blah blah blah. Oh yeah, I have armor on now. And there's the arrows, there's the bow, breaking stuff like that. And here we say hi to Jeff and Talanta1. So you guys could really post the names in the comments what you want to be the cows and pigs. The pigs are the girls and the cows are the boys. Yeah, we need more pigs up in here. Benji and Eli Jr. Yeah, we need some more girls up in here. I have like only one. So let's make sure this is all intact. Good. Okay. So today we are going to do an experiment. I'm going to go into a game. One for a sec. And test if this theory is good. And that's going to be the goal for the episode. The reason I have armor on is because it's been said that if you put obsidian and then TNT and then we need something to activate it. So lever. Just a lever. Okay. So what I heard is if we do this and put the TNT here, and it said to boost us up. So we're gonna find out if that theory is true or not. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're about to test if it's true. No. Well, this theory has been proven by Eli Rubens wrong. So yeah, that's that. That's the theory. If you guys were wondering, that is what was up. Well, I really lost it around, didn't it? Some glowstone. Yeah, so, yeah, say in the comments, like, who you want to, like, if you want to make anyone, you know, if you want to make, like, I also accept boy comments, but, you know. Oh, wait, no, wait, that's not the end of the episode. We have to go to IKEA and buy some furniture. It'll be installed by next episode. Yeah. Gotta go buy some furniture. Place that we're going to, it's like a ripoff of IKEA. It's much worse, much worse. Well, it's not like IKEA is bad, but it's much worse. And it's much, I meant to say, not nearly as good as IKEA. So we're gonna go here. Hey Benji. He was the person who subscribed, the second subscriber. Tell me if you subscribe, because I think I have like 3 something subscribers now. No, not 3 something, like 3 or 4 subscribers. 2, 1, Jeff, hello. 2, 1. Yeah, you have to say him like that. You just have to say his name like that. So today we're gonna go and visit IKEA. I'm in creative, so I can do this. If you guys were like freaked out. Yeah, like I said, it's a really bad version of IKEA. It doesn't even have a full name, it only has an IK for IKEA. Really? Yeah. So, oh wait, we may as well go into actually, into, into survival when we do this. Actually, we'll just stick in creative. It'll be fine. So, I think it's I didn't get that much sleep last night. I don't know why it's important, but whatever. This side. Oh, that's how I get new. I think we're gonna need a block each. Excuse me for a sec. I only want to take one, because that's all we're going to need. Wait, I'm not even going to need the gold anymore. Oops. I was going to make, I was going to buy a throne, but then I realized no. Because someone else bought it before us. And whenever one thing gets bought, there's only like one thing in each, in the Ikeas. But when someone buys that thing, another one magically reappears. So I really want to buy that. Yeah, I want to buy a couch. I think this place needs a couch for these guys, They look like they could need a couch. So today we're going to visit IKEA. Okay. It's like, a lot of the stores around here are like this. Welcome to IKEA. We sell you stuff and then move it for you. Thank you. Hey, where's my main villager? Yep. Yeah, should we really do it? Nah, let's give him the actual, wait, what? I'm sure going that time. Okay. Well, let's see what there's. It's only one thing. I would like to buy this couch. Seems nice. So, here you go, villager. Take that. Pleasure doing business with you. And by the next episode, shall be here waiting, and we could be able to do this. Just relax on the couch. So, that's basically it for today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And you gotta post a comment. You gotta comment on the stuff. Bye, guys.